Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Yulee, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving homes within the city of Yulee, Florida is made easier with the assistance of local moving companies, of which we are a part. Our professional movers are well equipped to handle your location needs and ensure a smooth transition to your new home. Upon arrival at your new home, we will assist you with unpacking, saving you time and effort. We offer tailored moving solutions to meet your specific requirements. Whether moving from a small apartment to a larger family home, by hiring our local moving company in Yulee, you can benefit from our expertise, personalized services, and knowledge of the city. This will ensure a seamless and hassle-free move, allowing you to focus on settling into your new home and enjoying all Yulee offers. When moving out of Yulee, long-distance movers are essential for a smooth relocation. We specialize in transporting belongings across state lines or to distant locations. We prioritize the safety of items during transit by using paper packing materials and secure loading techniques. Accurate pricing and budget considerations are essential for long-distance moves, and reputable movers offer transparent pricing and customized quotes. Certification and credentials ensure that the movers meet industry standards. We provide comprehensive services for a family moving to a new state, including packing, loading, transportation, and unpacking. We handle the logistics, ensuring items are securely delivered on time. We offer expertise, safety, accurate pricing, and the necessary certifications for a worry-free relocation experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Yulee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.